Making tax digital for landlords starts in April 2026. That's just weeks away. If you're a landlord and earned over £50,000 from rental properties, self-employment, or both combined in the 2024-25 tax year, you need to understand what's coming and what it means for you. In this video, we will explain what MTD is, who it applies to, when it starts, what changes, and how to prepare using RentalBux and HMRC recognized Making Tax Digital software to make the transition smoother. What is Making Tax Digital for landlords? MTD is a government digitization program that makes it compulsory for sole trader and landlords to keep digital records and submit tax information to HMRC using HMRC recognized software. Under MTD, landlords must keep digital records of rental income and expenses, submit quarterly updates, and make final declarations digitally to HMRC. What actually changes under MTD? Currently, landlords file a single self-assessment tax return once a year, either online through HMRC website or on paper. Under MTD, the HMRC self-assessment online portal will no longer be available for those in scope. Paper filing is no longer an option. Landlords must submit quarterly digital updates using MTD software such as RentalBux. Submissions are due by 1 month and 7 days of each quarter end. For the first quarter, the submission due date is 7th of August. For the second quarter ending, the deadline is 7th of November. For the third quarter, the deadline is 7th of February. And for the fourth quarter, it is 7th of May. You will still submit a final declaration by 31st of January following the end of the tax year. Why is the government introducing MTD? The main aim of MTD is to reduce errors and close the UK tax gap, the difference between the tax that should be paid and what is collected. HMRC estimates the UK tax gap, the difference between tax owed and tax collected, at over £40 billion for 2023-24. Small businesses, which include landlords and sole traders, account for 60% of this gap. By requiring digital record keeping, bank-connected software, and regular quarterly submissions, HMRC believes MTD will create a clearer digital audit trail that makes mistakes and deliberate underreporting far more difficult. Who does MTD apply to? MTD applies to individuals with gross qualifying income from rental income and/or self-employment as a sole trader. Qualifying income is gross income before expenses. It does not include payee employment income, pension income, and savings income. If you own property jointly, only your share of the rental income is counted. When does MTD start for landlords? MTD is being introduced in phases. From 6th of April 2026, if your qualifying gross income exceeded £50,000 in the 2024-25 tax year. From 6th of April 2027, if your qualifying gross income exceeded £30,000 in the 2025-26 tax year. From 6th of April 2028, if your qualifying gross income exceeds £20,000 in the 2026-27 tax year. HMRC will confirm your start date based on your previous returns. Are there penalties under MTD? Yes. Non-compliance with MTD carries significant financial consequences that increase over time. Late submission penalties operate on a point system. Each missed quarterly update earns 1 penalty point. Upon reaching 4 points, a £200 financial penalty applies. Every subsequent missed deadline incurs an additional £200 charge until your points are reset. Late payment penalties follow a tiered structure. Payments made 16 to 30 days late attract a 3% penalty on the outstanding amount, rising to 4% from April 2027. A second 3% penalties applies on day 31. From day 32 onwards, daily interest accrues at 10% per annum on the unpaid balance. First-year concessions are limited in scope. While new MTD users receive protection from late submission points during 2026-27, this does not extend to the final declaration due 31st of January 2028. What software can be used for MTD? To comply with MTD, landlords must use HMRC recognized software. There are two main options: full accounting software, bridging software for spreadsheets. We recommend landlord-specific MTD software such as RentalBux. Purpose-built solutions are tailored to the unique needs of property investors, eliminating unnecessary complexity while ensuring full compliance. RentalBux allows landlords to maintain digital records in line with MTD requirements and submit quarterly updates and final declarations directly to HMRC. The platform supports joint property splits, making it easier to allocate income and expenses between owners accurately. With bank feeds, transactions are automatically pulled in, while AI categorization and classification help correctly record rental income and allowable expenses. RentalBux also enables landlords to monitor property-level performance and profitability, while simplifying year-end tax calculations and final declarations. MTD 2026 – How to get ready now to prepare for MTD. Landlords should start early. Practical steps you can take now. Check whether you fall into the April 2026 wave. Speak to your accountant about MTD readiness. Move away from paper records. Scan and store receipts digitally. Ask letting agents how they'll support MTD. Set up a separate bank account for rental income. Start using RentalBux MTD recognized software to get comfortable before MTD becomes mandatory. Is MTD all bad news? While MTD does add reporting obligations, many landlords find that digital tracking saves time in the long run, makes year-end accounts easier, improves visibility of rental performance, helps monitor profitability across properties. Once set up, MTD software can actually reduce admin stress. MTD 2026 is a major change for landlords, but it does not have to be overwhelming. With early preparation, landlords can stay compliant, avoid penalties, and manage their tax position more effectively. Thanks for watching.